Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a new Mini Cooper key step by step. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both keys at hand. Turn the ignition cycle sequence exactly as described to enter programming mode. Follow each step slowly and patiently and verify the new key locks and starts the car before finishing. If anything fails, retry the sequence once more. To enter programming mode, you will use the master key and a specific ignition sequence. Start by inserting the master key and turning to position 1 without starting the engine. Press the remote unlock button for 5 seconds and then cycle the ignition off and back to position 1. Watch the central locking flash or listen for a chime that confirms the car accepted programming mode before proceeding to pair the new key. Programming the new key is a simple, repeatable process that pairs the remote to the car. Insert the new key and turn it to position 1 for about 2 seconds, then press any button on the remote to sync. Remove the key and test locking and unlocking, then repeat the process for any extra keys in the same order. Finish by turning the ignition off and testing each key starts the engine and operates locks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.